Hi, I'm John from Mission Lean, and today we're going to be talking about a secret you'll want to start using in your kitchen if you want to burn fat. Are you motivated to lose belly fat, tone up, and build serious lean muscle? This one trick will help you get onto the right path now and for the long run. Building sustainable, healthy habits is the only way to achieve long-run gains with fitness and nutrition, and this will do it. Prepare a 3-ingredient, simple salad that you can eat alongside your meal at home. It sounds simple, but focusing on quick preparation methods that you can incorporate into your daily life is indispensable for you to reach your peak fitness and shed all of that excess weight. Think outside the box though. You could have a salad that isn't the typical lettuce and shredded carrots. A few ideas: cucumber, tomato, and red onion. Red pepper, scallion, and mushrooms. Avocado, white onion, and tomato. Add some capers, black olives, and oregano for extra flavor. Or try some fresh black pepper and sea salt. Eat the salad alongside a piece of lean protein and some grains, and voila, you have your lean body meal ready to go. 3 ingredients will allow you to shop light at the grocery store and also prepare your meal in less than 5 minutes. Time is limited, we get that. And with this lean body trick, you can get closer to your goals over the long run because this is a habit that is easy and sustainable, and a habit that will also work wonders. Start today. Try out our ideas or come up with your own. It's time to tone up and start getting leaner. Mission Lean. Now that you know all about this healthy tip you can use in the kitchen, try planning and cooking your meals with our app, Mission Lean, which is available in the App Store and the Google Play Store. Also, you can check out our free nutrition ebook on missionlean.com. Let me know what you thought of the video by commenting below and giving the thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Check out the site for even more free resources, recipes, and workouts. And of course, download our app, Mission Lean, from the App Store if you want to get started right away.